Good morning, guys. Made it to Wednesday, December 9th. Still on Unit 18, which, again, I know we're on Unit 18, but we're going to go back and review Unit 15 because this unit is a review unit of all those units. If you remember way back when, about 3 weeks ago, this is the oi sound, like in the word coin. And you got to remember the oi sound. Remember, that's why these dashes are here, because it means the oi sound, not necessarily the oi spelling. But sometimes it's the OI and sometimes it's OY. Now, most of the time they follow rules. Not every time, but most of the time you have OI at the beginning of a word. And most of the time OY is at the end of a word or at the end of a syllable. Now, in the middle also is OI. So if you notice again here, OI usually comes at the beginning or the middle most of the time, unless it's OY at the end of a word or at the end of a syllable. Notice loyal. Loy is the first syllable, ol is the second syllable. Destroy. Oi is it's at the end of the word and it's at the end of the syllable. If you're noticing here, say, well, what about soy-ol? Foy-ol, boy-ol. Those are two syllables, and you're right, but notice the OI actually breaks up the syllable, right? So it goes soy-ol, foy-ol. So it's not necessarily at the end of the syllable, it kind of splits up the syllables there. So I know we're kind of splitting hairs there, but that's the difference. Hard to tell, for sure, which is why studying comes so into play, because so many of these words, most of them follow rules, but some of them don't. But again, that can help you. The beginning or the middle of words, or at the ending or at the end of a syllable, is OY. And I'm sorry, I didn't mention OI is the beginning and the middle of a word. Now here's again to help you out. These have, obviously the blanks is either OI or OY. And these can help you out. And if you remember the rules, they can help you out. For instance, if it has the end of the word, like here and here and here, that's OY, right? Oh, and here too, OY. Usually if it's in the middle, it is OI, OI. So broil, OI, foil, OI, destroy, end of the word, OY. So on and so forth. That can help you out when you're studying here. Now again, this is some review units here to get ready for Thursday's test. You guys are used to this. It's just simply filling in the word here that makes sense using these Unit 17 words. And then here's the challenge words. Now this is difficult because it's the challenge words. It might take a little extra studying, but here again, write the word that belongs in each group. Fish, bird, right under the animal, right? And again, what we're used to, write the word here that makes sense in the sentence. Now, one more review unit tomorrow, guys. We're going to go through kind of Unit 16 and 17 in more detail tomorrow. And then Unit 18 test is going to be Friday. Lord's blessings to you guys as I praise your Savior.